Hey everybody, GFEC Plumbing, air conditioners and elevators here. So today I'm here with my 1967 Crane Custom Highmont, which Crane Canada of course, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. It's in white. Oh, here it is. It says Crane Canada. I got this free off Marketplace. It's got some cracks there. It was free. Had some cracks over the years, even on the back. But it's not bad. Flush is pretty good. Show you the tank. As you can see, July 31st, 1967. Tank 3-582. Crane Canada on the tank lid. Shout out to Aaron Smith. Oh, and inside the tank, it's got the original fill valve. And the handle, of course. I've seen these toilets in nursing homes and hospitals. Anyways, here's flush. Pretty good flush. Fill it up a little. It's actually not bad. The bolts on the tank and the rubber ring, I got brand new. Anyways, I'll be back and we'll flush some dirt. Also forgot to mention, inside the tank says August 23rd, 1967. And there's the water line, of course. Alright, here's some dirt. Let's go ahead and give her a flush. That was actually pretty good. Actually flushes like the other ones. I did film one of these at a center for brain injuries, of course. It's called RB. It's back in Alberta. Okay, this time I'm going to hold the handle down. I think this was meant for holding the handle down, I think. But still, it has a great flush. Anyways, we'll do a side view. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Alright, have a great day. Okay, bye.